And what about the number of startups? Well, I know there are a couple that are in the works as far as commissioning and pre-commissioning. So do you foresee a couple more that are coming up in the near term?
Yeah, so if we shift downstream from the refinery side into chemicals, that's really where most of those startups are happening. And we've got a few of them behind us, the CP Chem and ExxonMobil with the large cracker. As we get into later this year or middle of this year, we see additional startups in a number of different places. For example, in the Sasol system, in the Indorama cracker that's being rejuvenated, and there's a couple of others. And so we're going to continue to see demand for commissioning and pre-commissioning services as we go all the way through the first quarter of 2019 across the U.S. Gulf Coast, and this is construction that's been underway for the last 2 to 3 years. So it's pretty good visibility on where we are. Then there's a little bit of a gap in 19 to 20 as we wait for, I wouldn't call it the next wave, but as we have a little bit of a gap in terms of when the next startups are. And then, we're continuing to watch. There's additional FID being taken and construction underway for a number of plants from Corpus Christi all the way over into Louisiana, whether they're methanol facilities or olefin polyolefin facilities, all the way through 2022. We see pretty good, strong construction and pre-commissioning growth as they continue to take advantage of the hydrocarbon resources from shale.